Before you can start making money from YouTube, there are some things you have to know and you have to do before you can start earning money from YouTube. Hello guys, I'm Cyril and welcome to Tube Passion. Here on Tube Passion, we make content concerning YouTube, tech and money related. So if you are an upcoming content creator, consider subscribing to the channel for videos that will help you grow your channel. Before you start creating content and making money on YouTube, you first have to know your niche. When I talk about niche is the topic under which your channel is going to be about. Like here on Tube Passion, our niche is YouTube, technology, and then money related to technology. Maybe your niche could be sports, it could be entertainment, it could be like anything you are passionate about. It could be your niche. No matter how small your niche is, you can still get audience for your niche. So you have to know what you are going to create your videos about. The second point is hindrances. What is stopping you from making your videos? When you are going to start making YouTube videos, there are a lot of things that are going to come your way, like lack of equipment, lack of support. Even yourself, in your head, you will be like, what are they going to think of me when I create these videos? And then that shouldn't be like a problem to you. Even when I was starting YouTube, I had no camera stand, I had no proper phone with a good camera, but as time went on, I was like, that shouldn't stop me from making YouTube videos. So I even made the camera stand I'm using right now, I made it myself. And then I had to invest more and then get a proper phone with a good camera. So you see that like when you're starting a YouTube channel, like all this, you should consider all this before starting a YouTube channel. Before you start a YouTube channel, you have to endure so many things. Endurance is the third point. Starting a YouTube channel is very stressful, from coming up with a video idea, scripting, editing, publishing. Like it comes with a whole lot of stress. So you have to develop the spirit of endurance in order to grow your YouTube channel. As a content creator, upgrading is very important, which is our next point. As a content creator, you should be able to improve video by video. Your second video should be better than your first, your third video should be better than your second. You should be able to see some improvements in each video you make. So you see how upgrading is very important. So with all these points I gave, they are very important in starting a new YouTube channel. So if you got value from this content, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a video. If you have any comments, leave it down in the comment section below. Thank you very much. This is Tube Passion.